Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. Welcome back to another Coupon Topic Tuesday video. I have a playlist linked in the description box below of all the other Coupon Topic Tuesday videos that I have done. I'm always up for suggestions of topics or questions that you'd like for me to devote a whole video to. So definitely leave those in the comments below, and let's go ahead and get started with today's topic. So today's topic is going to be the new Kellogg's Family Rewards program. I have been couponing for quite a while, and this was one of the first programs that I signed up for. Basically, for the printable coupon side of it is kind of how it got me into it. And then you could redeem your points for printable coupons, or you could really save them up and do gift cards. But a lot of the savings was with using your points for printable coupons. So that was like the main reason that I signed up for that. I also liked their feeding reading program that would run, I believe, May through August or something like that. So I don't know if we're going to see that with the new program, but let's go ahead and get into the details of the things that have changed. So what it used to be was points per Kellogg's Family Rewards item that you purchased. You'd submit your receipt and then you would earn points to spend on, like I said, coupons or gift cards, or they had like sweepstakes. I think they had some actual physical products that they would mail to you, but that was the basic logistics of that program. So now instead of earning points, they have switched to a token system. 5 tokens will earn you the monthly prize, which they change some of the items. From what I can tell, now we're only 4 months into it, so from what I can tell, it's 4 different prizes that they offer. So do an activity, you get 1 token. 5 tokens get you a prize. Sometimes they have special offers where you submit a receipt, and instead of just getting 1 token for that receipt, they'll give you 2. And then you can also do different things to earn more tokens besides just uploading receipts. You can take a short quiz, or you can do a vote, and then any other things that they might throw in there. What's your opinion maybe on a future product? We've seen those type of questions also. And then obviously the traditional way would be to upload your receipts. This is probably going to be the most way you earn tokens. And then they also have sweepstakes entries that you can earn as well. But 1 activity scores you 1 token, and then, like I said, 5 tokens in a month will get you your choice of a prize. So something also to note is that you max out at 5, and you don't earn any more tokens for anything extra. So what I've been doing, I have been saving my receipts if they're towards the end of the month. I think you have 30 days, but I'll save my receipts and just submit them for the next month if I'm getting close to the end of the month and I've already hit the 5 tokens. So keep that in mind. You're not going to earn any extra tokens. You might just want to stop unless you want to try to get those sweepstakes entries, but I'd rather just have tokens to use for the next month. You'll be able to see how many tokens you need yet to reach your 5 tokens. There's a little token tracker that you're able to view. There's also some extra things that they're going to be having, extra activities. They currently have one where you buy a Kellogg's product, you will get mailed a $5 coupon for any free Kellogg's product, which is pretty amazing. It is a limit of 3. I will try to have that linked down below if you haven't done that yet. Keep in mind, it's probably an expiration date or until they reach however many submissions for that offer. And apparently they're going to be having different offers throughout the year that we're going to just have to keep our eyes out for. So here is an example of the prizes that they had available in January. Obviously that Amazon gift card would have been pretty amazing, but it went quicker than I was able to redeem. I was hoping that they would refresh their supplies in February, but they didn't. Something else just ended up selling out of stock. So I would advise you, when you get your tokens, pick your prize right away, especially if it's something you really want. I had to opt for the Kellogg's plates, and honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to use them or not. My kids might like them, but I would definitely recommend redeeming right away and not hoping that they're going to refresh their supply. So uploading the receipts is the same way it was in the previous program. For some reason, I always have to take a picture using my phone and then upload it to the website and change the size from actual size to large, because the actual size is always too big. Even if I take it right from the website, it always says it's too large. So it may just be an iPhone issue, but I always have to resize the photo. So once they approve your receipt within 72 hours, you will earn your token. I don't remember if they send you an email or if you have to just check your account and see that you did indeed earn your token for that receipt. So with earning your tokens, you're still probably going to need to be uploading receipts. I don't think you're going to be reaching your prize just by doing the other activities such as a poll or a short quiz. You still need to buy Kellogg's at some point in the month to reach that 5 token threshold. So that is the new Kellogg's Family Rewards program. I kind of like how they have only 5 tokens till you can redeem for your monthly prize. I also like that they're changing the prizes every month, as long as they keep them something that we would like. But, if it's dumb stuff like, I don't know, February, I didn't really care for the prizes that they have chosen. But I feel like, that's how it is with anything else. Some months are going to be kind of like, I don't like that prize. And I think they will see that people aren't redeeming it. But when they have something exciting, like January's gift card, that was pretty exciting. I was really sad that I missed out on that. But I kind of liked it's like a shorter turnaround point, where the old program was 850 points, which kind of took a little while if you weren't regularly buying Kellogg's products. So I do like the shorter turnaround there on the points. The one thing, like I said, is the whole printable coupon thing is really just like, that was a huge part of using the program. So that would be really great if they brought that back. I would absolutely love that. That would just make this program 10 times better. So that's just the brief how-to and description of the new program. Sorry, I'm just now getting this out to you guys. I really wanted to do it a couple weeks ago. It's just been super busy. But anyway, let's just be thankful for the program they have for us. They could have just done away with it altogether. So hopefully it gets a little bit more exciting and we are maybe able to get some printables back. That would be amazing. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Definitely leave your comments down below whether you like the new program, don't like the new program, what you do like about it, or if you also missed the printable side of the Kellogg's Family Rewards program. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.